This is in the garage today. A 2014 Nissan Juke Nismo trim. Just here to actually pull out the radio, factory radio, navigation and all. And we're going to see if we can try to remedy a volume knob issue and a couple other small issues that the customer is having with her vehicle. So, nice little unit. Very interesting. They definitely cool little peppy vehicles. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, time to take the radio out of a Nissan Juke Nismo trim. Very nice little unit here. So very basic tools are needed for this job. It's very quick. You'll need just a little pick in order to get the very first part of this going. You'll need a trim panel removal of your choice, something thin, and of course you will need a Phillips screwdriver to also do this. A light will also help depending if you're doing this inside or out. So the very first step in order to get the radio out of this vehicle is to remove the climate control selection piece down here, which is just clipped in. The trickiest part of this whole thing is getting to the first two clips, which are down below the control panel, which I'll actually put a picture up in the corner here to show you just how small, but where they are. And yeah, this is where your pick comes in handy. So first thing I have to do is find the hole, get under there, and just gently pry against it until you feel a little bit of movement, and the climate control will pop. That one will pop, and then just do it on the same side. There we go. So once both are popped, you can take your trim panel removal tool, as mine's already kind of coming out nicely, and go around the edges until you feel it release, and out comes the entire panel. There is only 4, 5, 6 clips that you'll have to be aware of. 2 on the top, 2 on the sides, and the 2 mains on the bottom. Once this is out, there will be a clip on the back. Just simply press down with your thumb and slide the clip out and set the climate control panel off to the side. Once you have the climate control piece set off to the side, you'll need to take your Phillips screwdriver and remove these 2 Phillips screws that hold in the air duct vent trim piece and also surround the radio. Obviously, you guys all know how to take out screws, I would imagine. But there's just 2 of them. Like so. Let's put a picture up of those a little bit closer. Again, you'll need your trim tool and just gently at first kind of grab where you took out that screw and pull towards you, just ever so gently till you feel it move away from the dash. You can do this on both sides. You will eventually feel it give a little bit. There we go. Next, take your plastic trim tool and kind of just apply a little bit of pressure, and she'll pop nice and quickly, just like so. Once that's popped, gently just wiggle it out. There will be 1 more wire connector up top that I'll show you guys here, and there will be 2 more clips that you'll just have to be aware of to undo after that. So, air vent bezel removed. Now, what you'll be left with is the radio. So, we'll have to find a way to get this one out, which is obviously just those 4 Phillips screws, and that will come out as a whole unit. With the 4 screws removed, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there, the entire deck can just be removed now. I'm going to actually magnet those screws so I don't lose them, then we'll remove the unit.